When I was 12 years old, I started collecting piggy banks. Now, I had over 30 piggy banks, and as a child, I had set a goal to fill all of those piggy banks with loose change and coins that I would find throughout the school year. Well, I never quite achieved that goal as a kid, but if I did, I still would not have known how to manage all of the money. So, as we gear up for another school year, I wanted to share some important money lessons and activities that we can do as parents to set our kids on a path of financial success. And we're going to kick it off with this first topic on teaching them budgeting basics. Now, trust me, it's easier than you think, and it's a skill that will benefit them throughout their lives. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid, the creator of the Playbook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. So, why is it so important to teach our kids to manage money early in life? Let me tell you, the research has shown that it not only will help them be more responsible, make responsible choices, but it will also empower them to set goals, to achieve their dreams, and to do it all with financial confidence. I see it time and time again where we gift our kids money or friends and family gift our kids money. And I want to make sure that we as parents encourage and equip our kids with the next steps. Now, you can start with a very simple activity that can make a big impact. Now, first, I want you to grab a piggy bank. It could be a piggy bank, a jar, it can be a couple of envelopes, whatever you choose. But every week, you pick the day. I want you to sit down together with your kids and discuss what expenses might come up that week, right? It could be them planning to go to a movie with their friends, all right? How much does a movie ticket cost? It could be talking about how much lunch money they're going to need for the week or supplies for a school project or a school field trip. And now I want you to take that information and make a budget together. But I want you to use the three S's to make the budget. And the three S's are save, spend, and share. Those are your categories. So you're going to list the expenses. You're going to prioritize the expenses. What should come first, second, or third? And then I want you to allocate those funds into those three activities: spending, saving, or sharing. Or you can always use one of the more popular rules of budgeting, like the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of the money goes towards their needs, 30% goes towards wants, and 20% can go towards saving and investing. So when you do this, this not only will give your kids a sense of responsibility, but it's also going to really challenge them and encourage them to think about the choices that they're making with their money. You can also take this a step further and issue your kids a budgeting challenge. Now, this is where you're going to give your kids a certain amount of money for a specific time frame, let's say a month, right? You're going to have them plan out their spending. So make estimates and write out how much they're going to spend during the month on what. You want them to track their expenses. And then at the end of the month, you guys get back together and review and see how did they do. This is a great way, again, to instill those budgeting skills, give them some practice, but you're doing it as a family and can really make it a fun challenge for all the kids in the family. So remember, it's all about helping our kids understand the balance between spending, saving, and giving. And so by allowing them to practice, involving them in budgeting decisions, allowing them to make independent choices, we are actually empowering them to make thoughtful choices. And this is going to prepare them for their own financial future once they are out of the house. So, are you with me? I want you to grab that piggy bank, those jars, those envelopes, sit down with your kids once a week and start the conversation about budgeting. These are the little steps that we can take today that will lead to bigger and long lasting benefits for their financial future. And that's what this is all about. We want to teach your kids budgeting basics and really want to watch them grow to become financially confident and financially independent young adults. So, to each of you, I am wishing you a year filled with valuable life skills, valuable financial wisdom, you sharing this wisdom with them. And so, I want you to tune in next time as I share the next topic in this video series. But I also want you to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other intentional parents who are all about equipping their kids to make smart money moves. So, with that, I will see you next time.